okay, you should check this out. This is like my favorite AI tool that has been announced this year so far, and I'm going to use it quite a lot. Literally everyone that I can think of can use it, and I'm sure you will love it. So let's take an example. We all use AI tools to research about topics. Let's say you work in sales and you want to research about some prospect. You work in education, you want to research about some educational stuff. You want to learn about the new trends in the industries. We all use like Gemini. You can do deep research on Gemini. ChatGPT, Perplexity is a very popular one. I asked Gemini to do a deep research on the cloud native educational market. So like what all things you need to learn in the cloud native ecosystem, how the CNCF works, what all tools are out there, what all platforms are out there. It gave me this bunch of text. This is like too much text. It's like reading a book. There's a tool that Airtable just introduced called Superagent. I gave the same prompt to Superagent. Check this out. It gave me this. It gave me a whole report that is actually interactive in just one single prompt, the same prompt I gave to Gemini. And you can literally show this to your managers. It's just so much more interactive. As you can see, there are a lot of buttons. So like competitive landscape metrics, the information about how to get started with Kubernetes, if you want to do hackathons, to engage developers, how to build community, the contributor journey path. So you become a newcomer, then you're a regular contributor, then you review, then you are a maintainer. This is the same prompt, much more information, absolutely incredible, pretty, easy to use. So many use cases I can think of it. Now, let me quickly show you how it works. So Superagent is going to break down your prompt into subtasks. So here, as you can see, another example, I am asking it to create a framework if you want to excel in the field of developer relations. I work in DevRel. So what it's going to do is it's going to spin up a whole team of multiple specialized AI agents. So think of it like you're hiring a group of experts, and these AI agents are building this research plan together. They are dividing up the tasks and they are executing these tasks at the same time. So let's say one agent is looking at the data that you upload. You can upload your files as well. Another agent is researching like high quality sources to find some insights that you will miss out on. And because they work concurrently, like together, the quality is just on another level, as you saw with the outcome of the example at the start of this video, the cloud native education one. So they are not just summarizing all the data from all these resources and links. Okay, they are actually synthesizing this information and providing full citations in the end as well. So you can actually see where these facts have come from. It is absolutely incredible. It's so exhaustive, but it feels so effortless. So when you use it, the real wow moment is going to be when you see the output. It's going to be awesome. You are not going to get a wall of text. You're going to get a super report. That's what they call it. So when I talk about super report, it basically is something that's visually rich and completely interactive. It delivers a rich, in-depth and visually immersive content that is literally ready to present as it is. You can even click into different research sections. You can scroll through the graphs that are dynamic. So like you can change the value of the graph, and you can see that on the website in these visualizations, which basically makes the complex stuff easy to understand. There is also no post-processing or formatting that is needed. If you need, let's say, a polished document you want to create a slide deck. If you're speaking at a conference, I'm going to use it actually to build my conference slides. It's actually pretty cool. If you want to build an interactive website, for example, Superagent builds it with the level of design and quality that usually takes a human team like a while to finish. This was actually a really, really cool tool. I'm very impressed. This is really, really nice. So as you know, it's not just a chatbot. These reports don't just disappear into the chat history. These reports stay with you as a reusable asset. So I see people using it for everything. Let's say sales, product strategy. If you're analyzing some competition, you're creating pitch decks. You can even run multiple tasks at the same time, which is also encouraged. And if you have your own data, you can just upload that file as well. And every output also gets a unique URL. So you can share it with your friends, your colleagues, and you can also embed it wherever you want. So it's actually really cool. I highly recommend checking it out. If you register now, you can actually use it for free for 1 month. But if you use the code Kunal2free, I'll leave it in the description below, you will get 2 months free. It is actually very fun. Write a prompt, a very detailed one of what you want to research about, and send me the website that it creates in the link. I want to see it. It's actually really cool. And I would encourage share it with your salespeople. I think salespeople, it would help quite a lot. Researchers, if you have researcher friends, But yeah, let me know what you create. Send me the link of the website. Literally one prompt. It's absolutely amazing. Good job, team. Yeah, very good job. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Bye.